the question again from the same paper. First, see, as you can see, they have asked voltage across 50 ohm using superposition principle or superposition theorem, one and the same thing. Okay. So in the first step, we'll take the first source and ignore another source. Ignore means voltage short circuit and current source open circuit. First source I'm keeping 20-volt source. Okay, current source would be removed, that would be open circuit. Again, this current source is also removed, voltage source short circuit, and the resistance would be how much? 40 ohm, 15 ohm. So in this only one mesh will be, right? So we'll make the equation of one mesh, that is minus 50 I minus 40 I plus 20 equal to 0. You can consider it as I dash. So from here we'll get the value of I dash, that is minus 20 divided by minus 5. But they ask you to calculate voltage. We don't leave up to here, we'll calculate dash. V dash is, that is I dash multiplied by 50. Got it? This is your first step. The next step, what will, in the next step we'll take the next source, means the 10 ampere. Okay, again voltage source short circuit, will take current source, voltage source must be short circuit, resistance will be there, and this will be open circuit. So in this there will, it will form two mesh, one is I1 and one is I2. Here we can mark it as I double dash. If I'll solve this equation, then equation would be 10 ampere, this ohm and 40 ohm. I1 and 10 ampere are in the opposite direction. That would be minus I1. I2 and 10 ampere are in the same direction. Plus I2 is equal to 10. Your first mesh equation. Now the second, again we need to take the super mesh, right? Super mesh equation is minus 10, no sorry, minus 15 I1 minus 40 I2 is equal to 0. After solving equation, we'll get the value for I1 and the value for I2. But we don't want I1 and I2. What we want? I double dash. Now can you tell me I double dash is equal to I1 or I2? Hmm? I double dash is equal to I1 or I2? Tell me. I double dash is equal to I1, right? Okay. Now in the third step, we'll the third source. Which one is the third source? That is the voltage source. First voltage source short circuit, current source in open circuit. Consider the voltage source, this one here, and again the current source the open circuit. So in this case we can mark it as again I triple dash. So in this case we'll have only the one mesh. Now this the opposite direction, right? So I would be minus 15 I plus 10 I like plus 10, then minus 40 I is equal to 0. From here we'll get I, that would be I triple dash. Again यहाँ से हम क्या निकालेंगे, that V triple dash, that is 50 multiplied by I triple dash, right? Now last and the final step, fourth step. In the fourth step, take the fourth source, that is 5 ampere. Voltage source must be short circuit, current source open circuit. Again voltage must be short circuit, current resistor is there. Now the current source. Now in this case we'll mark it as I4 dash, right? Two meshes will form. One is the mesh इसी direction, same direction में. जैसे इन्होंने mark कर रखा है ना, see positive negative means their current is flowing like this. So we have to take the current like that only. So in this, अगर मैं ऐसे लूँ, this one is I2, one is I1. I2 is equal to minus 5 because ये दोनों opposite direction में है, and for this equation would minus 15 I1 and then minus 40 I1 is equal to 0, right? So by solving it, we'll get the I1, and this I1 would be equal to I triple dash. Got it? And then we'll need to calculate V triple dash. Sorry. So what we'll do in the last step, add all the dash plus V double dash, double dash. As I taken the all the voltage in the same direction, है ना? Then only with understood?